Childhood obesity is a prevalent public health issue that affects most school-going children. If not addressed, obesity can have adverse impacts such as low self-esteem, social stigma, and increase of chronic diseases such as diabetes. These negative consequences may have long-term effects on an individual because overweight children may retain their weight during adulthood. It is a noble thing that some states and districts are already putting forth the effort to curb this health issue through BMI screening to inform parents about the risks of obesity in children. The screening is also important because it provides childhood obesity data that facilitates the necessary public health responses. However, there is no consensus regarding the efficacy of BMI screening in controlling childhood obesity or reducing a child's weight. As a result, it is important to explore ways of improving the effectiveness of BMI screening. One way of enhancing the efficacy of BMI screening in controlling obesity is by incorporating and streamlining the reporting aspect. Parents of obese or overweight children between 2 to 12 have a tendency of underestimating the weight status of their children. As a result, they are not concerned that the weight predisposes their children to numerous health risks. Therefore, if these parents are informed about their children's weight through the status of BMI screening and reporting, they will see the need of actively participating in interventions oriented towards healthy weight. When reporting the results of these BMI screenings to parents, it will be important to include specific actions and guidelines that parents can employ at home to help their children maintain a healthy weight. If parents are given adequate information, they will acknowledge their children's obesity status and may take the necessary actions. BMI screening has shortcomings that should be addressed by integrating it with the coordinated approach to child health program. For instance, when parents receive the BMI results, they may place their child on diet restrictions, which could potentially harm their child's growth. Older children, like adolescents, may also develop eating disorders in an effort to cut weight. To address these disadvantages, it is recommended that BMI screening be integrated with the CATCH. CATCH employs lessons to educate children about preventing obesity. It encompasses nutrition, physical activity, health education, and food services. CATCH is an essential program in addressing obesity and overweight issues because it ensures that children and their parents are meaningfully engaged in obesity prevention. The combination of these two has the potential to yield the highest level of effectiveness in obesity prevention. On one hand, BMI screening and reporting is crucial because it raises awareness regarding the weight status of parents and students. When parents are aware of the weight of their children, they can model appropriate weight loss behaviors to their children and attain healthy weight. Screening also yields valuable data that can be used in health surveillance. The benefit of BMI screening and reporting will be higher when combined with the CATCH program, as it is proven efficacy in informing children about physical activity and proper nutrition. Furthermore, CATCH incorporates communities and families whereby they act as a support system for the children's physical activities and healthy eatings. Therefore, when using a single policy, the two interventions will effectively address childhood obesity.